I want to touch a fiery topic this evening. See that? The imminent firing of JATCO Executive Director, Mr. Kerry Brown. From what we're hearing, Mr. Brown might be looking to appeal the firing. Anyway, Mr. Kerry Brown and JATCO have obviously become an embarrassment to the government and an embarrassment to the country. So they decided to get rid of him. But all the maverick has been the lone voice in the wilderness, trying to warn the nation that JATCO under the leadership of Mr. Brown was either confusing their mandate or they were out of control. And they took that wicked and heartless decision to appeal the Andre Russell one-year ban to open everybody's eyes to see that JATCO as an organization had metamorphosed into the enemy of Jamaican athlete and the enemy of Jamaica, interested more in satisfying egos and fulfilling quotas than in the truth. As case after case after case collapsed and fell apart, the Andre Russell appeal, no case. The Khalees Spencer fiasco, no case. The Riker Hilton mix-up, no case. JATCO's image and credibility slowly but surely began to go to the dogs. For my money, the JATCO board acted 4 years late. Them should have fired him from the day them hired him. Anyway, we wish Mr. Brown all the best for the future. We hope he will admit to and learn from his folly ways. And far from Jamaican athletes, he stays. Bon voyage, Mr. Brown, and all courtesy of Hurricane Irma. A whole heap of empty house down at Barbuda and Turks and Caicos and Upper Florida. So let's go with the road. Yes. Go with the road. Go with the road, Mr. Brown. Go with the road and don't come back.